Hi, I'm Charlie from the Philippines. I'm 42 years of age. I work as an HVAC technician. I finished 2 courses, 4 years marine transportation, second, a 3-year course engineering. I specialize in refrigeration and air conditioning. Previously, I managed my own shop for 5 years way back there in my hometown. We provided services like installation, maintenance, and repair. Afterwards, I worked in Yemen to an oil and gas company as an HVAC technician. I've been married for 14 years. My wife usually works at the daycare center. I'm a father of 1 and she's 11 years old now. Again, my name is Charlie. See you in Australia.